In 2013, a major scandal embarrassed the United States. It was caught spying on its friends. German Chancellor Angela Merkel was one of the targets. Now, a new report has revealed how America did it. The United States recruited Danish Secret Service to spy on not just Merkel, but a long list of top European officials. And this revelation could create fresh trouble for Joe Biden. Our next report tells you why.
Chancellor Angela Merkel, President Frank-Walter Steinmeier, and former opposition leader Peer Steinbrück. 7 years ago, these top German leaders were spied upon. Not by adversaries, but two friends. The United States and Denmark. Their intelligence services had struck up a partnership. A new report claims that the Danish military agency helped the US spy on Angela Merkel and the others, and they didn't stop there. The targets went beyond Germany. The American National Security Agency, or the NSA, used Danish spies on officials in Sweden, Norway, and France. It's an embarrassment that America still hasn't been able to shake off. America was first caught spying on friends in 2013 during the Obama administration, when whistleblower Edward Snowden exposed the vast US surveillance operation. But now, this ghost has returned to haunt President Joe Biden, the leader who served as the vice president to Barack Obama. Snowden has revealed more secrets. In a tweet, he claimed that Biden was deeply involved in the scandal. Fresh reports suggest that the American NSA had access to everything. Data streams, text messages, even from chats and messaging services, telephone calls, and internet searches. Considering the past, America's allies won't be happy to know that they were being snooped upon. But Berlin isn't saying much in public.
The federal government has taken note of the report and is in contact with all relevant national and international bodies for clarification. As a matter of principle, and you already know this, I would ask you to understand that the federal government does not openly comment on matters concerning intelligence activities. This is no statement whether a situation is applicable or not. The German government reports these issues to bodies of the parliament that meet confidentially.
But Sweden is angry with the United States. Sweden's defense minister wants Denmark to explain why it was spying for America. He wants Danish intelligence to reveal what they know about Swedish citizens and companies.
What Denmark has said so far is that they think that systematic wiretapping of a close ally or partner is unacceptable.
Both Denmark and the United States are silent on the revelations. Joe Biden, who is scheduled to travel to Europe in 2 weeks, hasn't said anything either. Since taking office, Biden has been trying to repair America's ties with Europe. A visit to the G7 summit in the United Kingdom was supposed to be a step towards rebuilding America's relationship with Europe. But now Biden could end up facing a hostile crowd. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.